Madonna's big up on a nice clean self. Anyways, today I'm come to tell you one story. One day I was talking to a white lady. She was telling me that, you know, her husband is not alive anymore. And he was a junkie. So I said to her that, I heard that you drive your husband to drinking. And she said, no, I didn't. He was drinking from he was in college and he was drinking with his friends. So I said to her, so why did you marry to him if he was a junkie? And she said, I thought I could change him because I thought he loves me. And I said to her, you know, growing up in our culture, we used to hear people say, Pitney don't change man, and if you're married to a man, it don't change man. Why you think you could have changed him? He said, he should just believe that love could have changed him. So I said, did you love him? And she said, yes, I did. But after she have kids with him, she never loved him no more. So they were sleeping in separate rooms. And I said, so was he cheating? She said she's not aware of that, but he had a good job. That is what she said. She said, and when he came home, like in the evening, 5 o'clock, he just drink himself to sleep. So I said, but she was in a one room and he was living in one room for so many years. And I was saying to myself, what? Are you kidding me? So how do you know, did you have somebody on the side? She said no. After she have her kids, she never feel like she wanted that anymore. I don't know me attack. And I was like, wow. Sometimes you listen to some story because, different cultures sometimes divert. But as I said, I know her very well. And she was sharing that story with me. So I decide like, me I wanna go talk about it. So sometimes even though me know my culture, and me feel like, okay, me know my culture so much. Sometimes when you compare other culture, I've never known anybody like that in our culture that married, live in our house for over 30 years are their life and them nah do nothing because them just don't want to them separate, and because he was a alcoholic, him just decide to isolate himself and living in two separate rooms. But they have this though. They have it. So because it's like that doesn't change anything. That's why people always say money doesn't change anything. It doesn't. So a lot of people who out there who you see rich, them not live no loving life because they feel like money is everything. And when them really have the money, them still don't happy. A lot of the people them where you see out there we have money, them life at home is miserable. And a lot of them really put on a show for the camera, but they don't have that emotional connections. Let's talk relationship. In the next couple of videos, I'm going to share some relationship stuff. I'm going to talk a little bit good, the bad, and the ugly. I'm going to share some views on relationship over here. Who is it? Next door. Another door here. Yeah. So sometimes you listen to some people's story. I was saying to myself, maybe the old time days people them, I saw them did stay. Maybe. Because sometimes a lot of them have a lot of kids. And after a while, it's just companionship, friend and companionship. Yeah. So me ask her if she used to cook for him and them something. She said she couldn't cook. She said she couldn't cook. But she'd have a big job and him did have a big job. And them make great kinds. That's what she told me. She said they make great kinds, and how them invest a lot, you know. So they have that, but they just did not have emotional connection anymore, like when them did young and so forth. But if you don't know anybody like we're in a them age group where maybe it really happened, them have them partner and them don't even have having conversations with them partner for years. They're living under the same roof and no communication, no um no interaction. Years upon years, it's what them did, Nothing. Pitney them move out and gone. Nothing. Nothing not done. I may say you never even try to fight to see if you can find love again with him or what. I said no. She said no. She no bother. Me don't have to go try wake it up. Him say must always just because is somebody was a neighbor who she and her was friend told me. It was a man too. The man told me that she drive her husband to drinking. That was what the man tell me. I mean literally go and ask her, but me just don't tell her who tell me. Tell her say me here. Yeah, me ask her. And she said that was not true. She said that is not true. He been drinking since he was in college. And at that time I barely knew him. That's what she said. She said I barely knew him. He been drinking since. So me say me I come tell you no me Danas because I mix up. And me I look into it and me I say I've never known anybody like that who don't have dialogue but live for how much years in the same house and no dialogue, no interaction, no love. Mm. Me couldn't stay there. But I have to go and go find something to do with myself. That is it. Anyways, see you later. Wanna share your thoughts in the comment section. Big up on yourself, Madonnas. More blessings to you all. Big up, big up, big up. Enough love. Bye. Mwah. Them a call me down.